In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Binance account. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because verification requires personal information and identity documents. Once you are logged in, go to your account profile. On the app, you can usually tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then look for an option called Identification, Verification, or Verify Account. Tap that option to begin the verification process. Binance may ask you to choose your country or region of residence. Select the correct country, because the available verification requirements can be different depending on where you live. Next, enter your personal information. This usually includes your full legal name, date of birth, nationality, and residential address. Make sure the information matches your official identity document exactly. Even small mistakes can delay the verification process. After entering your details, Binance will ask you to upload a valid identity document. Depending on your country, this may be a passport, national ID card, driver's license, or residence permit. Choose the document type you want to use, then follow the instructions on the screen. When taking a photo of your document, place it on a flat surface with good lighting. Make sure all corners are visible, the text is clear, and there is no glare or blur. Do not cover any part of the document. After that, Binance may ask you to complete a face verification. This usually means taking a selfie or recording a short live check using your phone camera. Follow the instructions carefully, keep your face centered, and remove hats, sunglasses, or anything that may block your face. Once everything is submitted, Binance will review your information. Verification can sometimes be completed quickly, but in other cases, it may take longer if additional checks are needed. When your account is verified, you will usually get access to higher limits and more Binance features, such as fiat deposits, withdrawals, and certain trading services. And that's how you verify your Binance account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.